Kanye Okeke is a 16-year-old autistic Nigerian from Anambra State that recently broke the Guinness World Record for the largest painting on canvas by an individual. He achieved this feat on November 24th, 2024, with his massive artwork titled "Impossibility is a Myth," spanning 12,303 square meters. This record-breaking painting not only showcased his artistic talent, but also aimed to raise awareness about autism and mental health. Your Excellency, some of the notable details about Kanye's achievement include: 1, the record-breaking achievement, which is the painting surpassed the previous record of 9,652 square meters held by Ahmad Salihi. Autism awareness. The artwork was created to promote autism acceptance and support for individuals on the spectrum, with proceeds from the event going to the Ziba Foundation. Recognition. Kanye's achievement garnered national attention, with His Excellency President Bola Ahmed TINUBU praising him as brave, audacious, and tenacious. Previous accolades. Kanye has achieved recognition for his artwork earlier on, including becoming the youngest recipient of the Flame of Peace Award in Austria at the age of 8, and having a solo exhibition at the Terra Culture Art Gallery. Kanye's story serves as an inspiration, highlighting the importance of inclusion, acceptance, and support for individuals living with autism and other neurodiverse conditions. Your Excellency, I have the pleasure to present to you the young, talented Nigerian autistic Kanye Chukwu. To you, I'm sure you've met him before, but just to formally present him to you, and also for Nigerians to appreciate what this young man has achieved. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, the Permanent Secretary. Her Excellency will be presenting to Kanye at this point. Kanye.
Let's take a picture first. Sorry, I'll treasure this. I love the colors. This is brilliant. He's such a gifted boy. Yeah? God bless you, and handsome too. I hope you marry someday. There's nothing God can't do. I said you'll be amazed. You'll be amazed. The Autism Day, what I normally do is to make a statement, which we did. And just glancing through, I didn't know how I got into either through the social media or through television, and it caught my interest, and I called the minister to ask after him, and then I later saw pictures of, I think she was the one who sent me materials about Kanye's feat and talent. So I'm so glad that we're able to recognize them, and which tomorrow is Children's Day. We can't choose a better day than doing this a day before Children's Day. I want to thank the parents especially and speak to them for really loving your child, because autism actually, and even mental health, happens to it happens in the lives of very brilliant children. So you just have to pay attention. Their interest is always single. and you have to just push with it. So I'm really glad. I know Kanye is just watching me, and I think he likes me already. I like him too. So, and we have some little gift for him, and we also have the federal government pin, so which you can always wear for him when he's doing his shows if he likes to, and we have national fabric for him as well. So I'm really glad you came, and the money we gave is towards his education.